Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to explain how to import a CSV or Excel file from your OneDrive into Power BI. I spent a lot of time trying to figure this out and I thought about making a video to explain the process. So I hope you enjoy and you find it useful and let's get it started. So first, make sure you have your Excel or CSV file saved in your school or work OneDrive folder. For a personal OneDrive, the process is more complicated and it won't be covered here. So here I have an example called transaction CSV that is stored in a work OneDrive. So what I need to do is to click on these three dots. So I click on details. Here I click on more details and I need to copy the path. Once that is done, I need to go into Power BI. I go into Get Data and I select the web connector. So once it's open, I paste the URL and I click OK. So you see a window will happen, tell me that I need to enter the credential to access the file. So normally what you need to do is go to your organizational account here. So it will open a window where you will need to set your Microsoft credential. So I will just do that and then you'll see what will happen. So this is the window that will happen for me to enter my credential. So for me it's already set, so I just need to connect and I'm already signed in, and when I click connect here I should be able to see the preview of the file. So here that's it. So I need to continue the process normally, either load directly or go to transform data if I want. So that's it. We already reached the end of this video. It was a quick and short tutorial to show you how to import a CSV Excel file from your OneDrive into Power BI. If you find this tutorial useful, please don't hesitate to like it, share it, and for more Power BI tips and tricks, don't hesitate to subscribe. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.